Welcome. Whoa, damn, I got so much energy today, it's crazy. Welcome back to another video, guys. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. Make sure to grab your laptop while watching the video because we finna make something fire today, I'm telling you. Whoa, today I feel like making a Gunna type of beat, something for his new album DS4EVER. Super fire. My favorite song on the album is Too Easy, bro. Like that beat is just and the whole track is super hard. Like, let me know down below what your favorite track is. Other than that, let's just dive right into the video. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community, you feel me? So to start off with this beat, I want to use XPAND. XPAND is my favorite plugin, and I've got this harp sound loaded up. It's underneath strings and then number 26. Super fire harp. It's really simple sounding, but it works. I also got a scale loaded up. This is the scale I'm using. You can just like copy it over if you want to. So right here, another cool trick I can give you when starting to make this beat is just head over to this right here. You've probably seen it in my previous videos, but head over to here and then click, like double click, and we've got F loaded up and then minor natural or Aeolian scale. What this does is turns your keyboard into like a MIDI controller, like a piano. You can see right here in the back, but it is the same scale as highlighted right here. So we're all set to go. So in the song, the melody goes something like this. So I kind of want to like recreate that. Also change your grid to 1/3 beat. That way we can like make some triplets in there. Okay, so now we got that. Let's add some chords in there. Make sure you strum these as well. Also right now it's sounding a little bit too robotic, so I'm going to play with the velocity a little bit to make it like sound more authentic and like feel like someone is actually like playing the harp. Okay, right now we need like some type of waviness in there because WHEEZY loves to like add some wavy pads in there, you feel me? Like these Gunna beats are always like super hard knocking but super wavy at the same time, so we might need to add like a pad or something. So let's just go. It's sounding fire already in my opinion. Let's just like copy over the same chords right here. chatting. Let's just like render out the whole melody. We got it right now, and then add some smacking drums. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Yes sir. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at GUNNA Beats. I would appreciate it. We really made something crazy today. I love the vibe. I love the beat. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video guys. Peace.